Let me show you how we can disable TalkBack on Motorola Edge 70, but before I actually show you how to get into these options where you can turn off TalkBack, you need to know how to navigate on your phone when the TalkBack is enabled. So if you have any button that you want to select, or if you have something that you have to select in general on your screen, then in that case you need to tap on that option once and then double tap anywhere in order to confirm your choice. So this is the quickest way to essentially navigate. So if you have 3 buttons for navigation, then we can start by going to the list of background apps. And if you have any gestures that you perform, like for example swiping on the screen or scrolling up and down, then in that case you need to actually use 2 fingers instead of just 1. So in this case, if I want to, let's say, completely exit settings, I need to use 2 fingers to swipe it up, of course, in order to turn it off. So we're gonna start from the home screen, and in this case I'm gonna go to app drawer. So I'm gonna use 2 fingers to swipe up, and we need to use 2 fingers again in order to scroll down. We're gonna tap on settings once in order to select it, and then double tap in order to go into settings. And now in here we need to scroll down until you find accessibility, of course. We're gonna tap on accessibility once and then double tap in order to select it. Tap on TalkBack once and then double tap. Tap on the TalkBack switcher over here once and double tap, and then we need to confirm, so tap on turn off and double tap. And now finally TalkBack is disabled and you can return to the previous ways to navigate on your phone. And by the way, of course, if, like I said, any gestures, any movement has to be done with 2 fingers, so this includes gesture navigation. So for example, if you want to go to the background apps or to the home screen, then you will have to use 2 fingers and perform the exact same gesture that you usually do. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.